Today, I'm going to teach you how to print labels from Google Sheets using the Foxy Labels add-on. This is incredibly useful if you need to create mailing labels, name tags, or any kind of printed labels directly from your spreadsheet data, saving you tons of time compared to manual formatting. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log in to your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that contains the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to print as labels. This could be a contact list, inventory sheet, or any other data you need to convert into label format. With your spreadsheet open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your spreadsheet functionality. In the Marketplace search bar, type Foxy Label and click on it when it appears in the results. You'll see an Install button on the add-on page, so go ahead and click it to begin the installation process. A prompt will appear asking you to continue with the installation. Click Continue to proceed. You'll then need to log into your account again for security purposes, so click Continue when prompted. Now the add-on needs permission to access your Google Sheets data. You'll see several checkboxes listing the permissions required. Check all of them and click Continue to grant access. These permissions are necessary for the add-on to read your spreadsheet data and create the label documents. At this point, the installation will begin processing. Wait patiently until it completes. This usually takes just a few moments, but depending on your connection, it might take a bit longer. Once the installation is finished, you can close the installation window. Now you're ready to start creating your labels. Back in your spreadsheet, click on Extensions in the top menu again. This time, you'll see Foxy Label listed in the dropdown. Click on it, then select Create Labels from the submenu that appears. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. In the Label Template section, you'll see various template options. Browse through and choose the template that matches your label sheet size and layout. There are options for different label brands and sizes. Next, move to the Merge Fields section. This is where you select which columns from your spreadsheet you want to include on your labels. For example, you might select ID, name, and email if you're creating contact labels. Simply check the boxes next to each field you want to include. Once you've selected your template and merge fields, click the Create Labels button at the bottom of the sidebar. The add-on will now begin generating your label document. The system will process your data and create a new Google Doc formatted with your labels. This can take some time depending on how much data you have in your spreadsheet, so be patient while it works through all your entries. Once the processing is complete, you'll see an Open button appear. Click it to view your newly created label document. You'll see all your data neatly formatted into the label template you chose. Finally, to print your labels, click File in the top menu of the document, then select Print from the dropdown. This will open your print settings where you can choose your printer, adjust any settings, and send your labels to print. And there you have it, you've successfully created and printed labels from Google Sheets using the Foxy Labels add-on. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.